Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good day to the panels of judges and friends and participants of this MPI 2022. Today we would like to talk about our innovation on the interactive maritime training through IR. IR is augmented reality analysis simulation in enhancing GE. GE is the graduate employability and upskilling and reskilling in maritime industry towards IR4. In this innovation, which our team already undergo, it is regarding maritime training in the IR4 era, which is called for the technological advancement, which at the same time needs changing the way industry trainings and students in learning both physical and virtual environments. Let's see the significance of this innovation package. It is to assist and to serve the maritime industry in instilling new digital tools of IR4 advanced technology. So at the same time, it is also supporting the government vision to upskilling and reskilling the workforce, especially in the key sectors of maritime industry. The next session will be explained by Prof. Wan Norsani on the augmented reality, that is AR.
By using the augmented reality, AR, it increases students' interactivity and engagement using virtual experience. You will see on the top left photo, we use Korean technology to expose students of maritime technology and nautical by wearing goggles. Students can imagine and expect what to do when a ship about to sink. They are shown on the right photo. And the bottom photo, we teach students using softwares, free softwares in class. Examples of the softwares are Zapper and Prezi. However, my respective panels need to download free softwares before you try the sample sizes prepared by the students here.
For the ENT learning integration interactive delivery methods, we are combining between AR and SS simulation, which is in this case we are raising up, highlighted the full mission ship handling simulator, which will be explained by Hafiz on the ocean sites.
Thank you, Datin. Today, the use of simulators is mandatory for certain parts of the curriculum for maritime education and training and is regulated by international conventions, that is, by the Standards of Training, Certification and Watchkeeping for Seafarers, or STW. In order to ensure that future mariners are able to act in proper and safe manners, it is stressed in the STW that simulators are to be used for both training and assessment. One of the major recent updates of the STCW conventions, the 2010 Manila Amendments, has a greater focus on technical proficiency and so-called non-technical skills compared to the previous version of the convention. The technical skills relate to handling the equipment of the ships, while the non-technical are often described as cognitive and communicative skills, such as situation awareness and decision-making, as well as skills involving teamwork, such as leadership and communication.
So on the ocean side, just now, Chief Hafiz already explained to us. Now we are looking at the land side or port side. In this situation, in this package, we are using IR and simulation to do the simulation on the forklift component for lifting the containers from container yard to the warehouse. This is the activity on the land side, which are very interesting for the student without going to the field to see the exact or the actual situation, but they can use this application to have the reality experience of the field.
I teach students how marine fluid power works, i.e. hydraulic and pneumatics, and use hydraulic pneumatics in maritime industry. So the students will understand how industrial revolution advances from low-cost industrial revolution 1.0 to advanced automation in IR 4.0. I will show you after this the video clip Normally, I bring students to lab, show them how the components work. This semester, I converted this experience into video form. So it's my pleasure to share with MPI panels the video that we just prepared.
As what from one and Cik Hafiz already explained the package interaction and interactive activity done by the student. The student fully involved in this package. So it is not only for one direct way of teaching, but now we have two types interaction from the student and also interaction from the lecturer to the student. This new package of interactive maritime training through IR and simulation, it is also being inspired by the theories. There's two theories which we are based on. The first theory is about behavioral theory by Graham et al. 2013, and also the integrated theory that is being developed by Terry Anderson 2011 meaning. The nobility of this new pedagogy concept is embedding IR and Nexus simulation could always get the best learning experience either by the student or the trainee of the participants of the industry who are applying this package. They are ensuring that the experience they are learning is the best, which can also ensure the ability of the future talent and equip the students and the industry trainings with the necessary skills sets to ensure they can work in the IR4 environment, which is the new emerging industry era. And at the same time also, the impact of this package is very vital for the human capital development, which is lacking in the maritime industry right now. Currently, we are also looking at the intellectual property rights, IPR, which is in the process as a recognition to boost up this package and to instill the usefulness of this new pedagogy package. For the market potential for this innovation, will help by having a creative module which can be useful for the industry, polytechnic, vocational colleges, and training institution in either local and international arena. So in conclusion, we can say that this invention is a fusion of advance in artificial intelligence, AI, augmented reality AR, virtual reality VR, and the Internet of Things IoT, genetic engineering, quantum computing, and other advanced technologies. This can enhance the student video creativity with integration of the real industry fieldwork simulations via new pedagogy stimuli package of this maritime industry, and it is also embracing the industry skill. I also put some of the sample where the student get some award on the competition of the green logistic and short logistic documentary film. With that, I would like to conclude that we also acknowledge this invention was funded by the Malaysian MOHE, our Ministry of Higher Education, in terms of they are giving us the software for the IR4 Industry Revolution Competency Center. It is awarded by MOHE, Ministry of Higher Education. Thank you. For the last part, we would like to present a short activity from the student involvement. Please proceed, David.
This media will give a clear understanding how a tunnel bow thruster works. A bow thruster is a transversal propulsion device built into or mounted to the bow of a ship to make it more maneuverable. It consists of thruster, hydraulic cabinet, gravity tank, centralized control device, control panel. This represents the schematic diagram of a bow thruster system. Power is transmitted from the prime mover or electric motor through a flexible coupling, input shaft, bevel gears to propeller shaft, rotating the propeller in constant direction. Prime mover is an electric motor which drives the propeller shaft. The propeller parts consist of 4 propeller blades, a propeller hub with a hydraulic servo motor, and the sliding block mechanism. The propeller blades are connected to blade carriers by blade bolts, and this assures easy exchange of blades in the thruster tunnel. The gear case which carries propeller parts is connected to the thrust tube by bolts, and this assures easy overhauling of all parts inside the tube. Page